What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. Today's video is a little bit different because today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. First and foremost, I would love to thank TheraBox for sending me over their box of the month because I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am really excited. Basically, TheraBox is a monthly subscription service and it is a therapy box, a box full of goodies sent to you every single month for only $35 a month. My favorite part about this box is not the fact that it's just $35 a month, but in your box you receive 6 to 8 products every single month that are worth over $100, and it's not just random products just thrown in a box for you by a random person. The items placed in these boxes are curated by therapists just for you. So I don't know about you, but I'm loving TheraBox so far just based off of what I know about the company. This is what the box looks like. I love it. I love purple, so I was already sold by then. As soon as I received the purple box, I was like, this is it. Upon opening it, I received this pamphlet. Now, from what I see, this pamphlet is just a description of all of the products. It talks a little bit about the theme. And since it is spring, the theme for this month is Blossom. So they dedicate all of the products that they place inside of the box based on the theme for the month. You do get a very detailed description on how to use the products, where they're from, and all that good stuff. So I'm so excited to share these things with you guys. Right after the pamphlet, I see these NCLA designer nail wraps. These nail wraps are super cute. I like the color that it has. It looks very like, it looks like splats and like graffiti type stuff. I don't know how to explain it, but these are really cute and I'm really excited to use these because your girl is on the struggle boat, okay? Disrespectful. These nails are mine. Right after that, we have our Rosa Damascena peel mask. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm very excited to try this mask because the only ingredient in this mask is Rosa Damascena flower water. I've never seen a mask for the face that only has one ingredient and that requires you to use it for 60 minutes. So I don't know. I'm really excited to try it only because it only has one ingredient, so I don't have to worry much about, oh, I don't know if I should use this mask because it has too much things and my skin might react, and it has 0 preservatives. So I don't know. I might be trying this tonight once I remove this makeup. Our next product is this body wash infused buffer. Y'all, I can smell it from the outside of the box. It smells so good. It's French Lavender by Spongel. I think that's how you would pronounce it. I've never seen anything like this in my life, and I'm actually very excited to use it. It says, this flower-shaped buffer is equipped with built-in body wash, letting you save valuable time and shower space. It's formulated with exotic extracts, rich moisturizers, and gentle cleansers. So you can use it multiple times. I'm so excited. I'm finna smell good, y'all. Next up, we have this Chemist Keratin hair treatment mask. I don't know how I feel too much about this, only because a lot of times certain products are not dedicated to natural hair like mine. So I'm always afraid to use certain products, but I'm definitely gonna do more research on this hair mask just to see if I wanna try it. It smells so good. It smells like kiwi, like key lime pie. Kiwi, y'all heard me? It smells like key lime pie. It's very thick, so I don't know. Maybe I might try it. It smells really good though. I think I might just try it based off of the smell. Next up, we have our Organic and Botanic Mandarin Orange Enhancing Day Moisturizer. Every time I receive like skin and makeup products, I get really happy because I love skin and makeup products. Now, just based off of opening the product, it smells very natural. Oh look, vegan friendly, made in the UK for Organic and Botanic. So it is a vegan product. It's also very lightweight, so I can tell that it'll do a lot of hydration to the skin just because of how lightweight it is. I want to try this. I have on makeup, but I want to try so bad. Yeah, that's nice. I'm excited. We have our I'm in Love Rose Heart Rose Blossom hand cream. You know, I didn't really notice that I needed to start wearing hand cream until I held my boyfriend's hand and I realized that my hands were not as soft as his. So I'm really excited to try this hand cream. Let me see what the pamphlet says. This hand cream is made with extracts of rose, aloe, centella asiatica, I think I pronounced that wrong, false daisy, oat kernel, and argan oil. Let's see. Ooh. So I think I put too much. Oh yes, it does smell really good and it feels really good too. Okay, yeah, so this hand cream is a yes for me. I love it. All right, we're almost down to the last product in our box, but before we get to the last product, we have our Skin & Co. Whipped Cleansing Cream. I've actually never heard of this line. The Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is a highly concentrated gel cream cleanser formulated to deeply cleanse skin, remove makeup, dirt, and impurities, effectively keeping pores free and clear from congestion and blemishes while soothing and calming sensitivity-prone complexions. Okay, so tonight when I remove this makeup, this is what I'm going to be using. And then the last product in the box are these Discover Yourself Self-Knowledge question cards. And I'm actually going to open it up and ask myself one of these questions just to see. What's one compliment I struggle to accept about myself? All of them. I could never just take a compliment and say thank you. I always have to point out something that's wrong with whatever it is that they're complimenting. So if someone says, oh my God, Abby, you have such a nice smile. I'm like, yeah, but my teeth are so yellow because I drink coffee all the time. I need to learn how to shut my mouth and just accept the compliment. Although they do give you a whole bunch of products dedicated to your skin and your hair, they always send you at least one product that is dedicated to self-love reflection or some sort of happy activity. So that's really awesome because you're not just getting these things that you can put on yourself, but you're actually activating your mind and your heart to kind of just self-reflect and learn a little bit more about yourself. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed all of the contents that came inside of this TheraBox. If I were you, I would go and get a TheraBox because I think I won't need another box every month because this box is just that good. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Please be sure to go down below, click that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!